I can't be sure that's not leaking.
We should definitely take the seats out.
Maybe bust the shifter loose, maybe?
So everything else we can
Kind of
hang up or paint.
Yeah. It's Flex Seal day, baby.
Flex Seal.
This is by far the hillbilliest shit we've ever done. Alright, so we have a huge problem with the bald rEagle. Smoke comes in at an alarming pace, and we're getting ready to head down to Burnout Masters, which Cletus just announced. So we got some Flex Seal, a brush, a Flex Shot, some Flex Tape, and we're going to seal this baby up as best we can with the rusty floors that we are presented with, right?
Be space approved.
Wish us luck.
Airtight.
NASA approved.
NASA approved. SpaceX approved. Pick your company. Do you have to mix the stuff at all? I've never used it.
I don't think so.
I would assume shake.
I shook it a little bit.
Yeah, you can just stir it inside when you dump it out.
What'd you do at work today, honey? Oh, I glued the floors on our hillbilly burnout machine.
Yep. I'm not gonna gun. Just rip these things. Zoop. All right, can you run that while you camera?
Yeah,
Is that a doable option?
I think so. Here we go. Now just the bottom, right? So,
Ping, ping, ping.
What are you doing?
Painting.
Painting.
flex sealing.
This bad boy's gonna have a freshy new
I can't
white
believe
interior.
you're getting paid to flex seal the floor of a G-body. Did you ever thought your life would come to this when you were in engineering school?
I got paid to do that one Friday. Look at that. You can sell that.
Oh yeah, that's a brand new car.
You
right
got
there.
you got the drawing, right?
50 State Street legal.
Are you just gonna tape over those holes over there?
I was gonna try. Yeah, this side actually made it a aluminum plate that's well riveted in. She's real nice.
Safety first. Definitely.
Solid. Except for the passenger side. Yeah. We're not worried about it.
That's why it's not important. We're taking the bald rEagle down there this weekend for a race at Bradenton, and then we're leaving it with the guys at Project Prime after maybe we do a few Freedom Factory skids, and then they're gonna go ahead and wrap it in its beautiful livery, and then it'll be ready for the burnout contest. We want to get this all done beforehand so we don't mess up the beautiful wrap job that's about to happen.
Oh, I need a ½ inch now. And I can rip those brackets out.
Oh, it's so gooey. I don't know how I'm gonna climb back there and start working on this. I just want to see how it spreads real quick. I'm gonna do a little test.
Dump the whole gallon out.
No, I gotta. Oh yeah.
Around.
Chad, stop laughing at me.
Mark Rogers.
You're making me nervous.
It's just even more
I haven't
funny
heard
that
from
it's
him now.
flex sealed.
This thing is gonna be able to go underwater before this is all done. We
gonna be
already have the correct headers. We got an intake that's pointed up. Like we can go.
Oh yeah.
This thing is like spreading semi-hot marshmallow.
Why does it smell like a garden?
It does, dude. It
That's
smells
so
like
weird.
Smells like what?
smells like I'm painting on some type of like.
Garden.
Like some Miracle Grow?
Wow.
That's what it smells like to me. It's like like
Smells
Miracle
highly
Grow or like,
volatile,
oh,
whatever
yeah.
it is.
Yeah, like you're at Teskey's.
Yeah.
Like fresh.
I wondered how strong it would be, but that's not what I thought it would smell like.
It doesn't smell painty.
No, it doesn't smell like paint at all.
It's not concerning, really.
Dick Trickle's a NASCAR
He's
racer.
a real
Dick
name.
Trickle
real
was,
one?
Yeah.
Dick Trickle was
Some
actually.
Poor bastard actually got named though?
Yeah, and he was
Yeah.
good.
No, he wasn't.
Ever hole.
Oh no, really? It's not supposed to come through.
Put newspaper down.
It's it's dripping out.
Alright, we probably need to catch that because I don't know how hard that'll be to get off.
Oh god, get a box.
Oh, you quit your job to start a company. What do you do? Oh, Flex Seal shitty cars.
Surface must be clean, dry, and free of grease and oil.
Oh, we for sure.
Check. Definitely.
It's gonna peel right off.
Increased adhesion with sandpaper. So, yeah,
Oh,
scratch
sure.
that.
Check.
Oh, yeah. Coat entire surface until all cracks and holes are completely filled. So
He's working on that.
Working
That's
on
fine.
that. Yep.
Brian, I don't think this is the best idea for the cage. He's laughing. I think the problem is a lot of people are kind of distraught about how he treated this thing, but I think if they saw it in person, they would have a different outlook on it.
It really is safe.
It really looks a lot nicer on TV.
Yeah, what do you think now in person compared to the
I mean,
video?
I saw some in-depth video, and it's still way rougher than what you think it is in person. How to fix it, 45 seconds.
Just some paint and some tape.
Still all tape, still all paint.
Done.
Looks good, solid.
Oh, that looks great.
Smooth the marshmallow out.
I think I'm just gonna make myself a paint bucket down here.
You have truly outdone yourself. How are you standing this smell still?
It's good for you. Mom always told me this is how you put lead in your pencil. Mounts. I don't know. These gotta go this way. I didn't pay a whole lot of attention when I took these out.
So Mitch, give us an in-depth instructional on how you did this.
How I did this?
Yeah, how you did all this.
Well, you start with your favorite color of, comes in black or white, I think. I don't even, maybe they have other colors.
Oh, they have colors.
Do they really?
Yes.
You get your gallon of Flex Seal White, pour it in there, and by in there I mean like you literally just pour it on the floor. Then you take the brushes and you just kind of squeegee it around, paint it. But yeah, then you just, it's thick enough, you fill cracks, you seal them. It kind of fills rust holes, it likes to more so drip through on the floor. But that is where you can put a little bit of this around the holes if you get it to seal. Or do it the right way and put tape over the holes. It's not the right way, but that's how you seal up bigger holes. Just put the flex tape down and then the flex seal over it.
As recommended.
As recommended per instructions. I think it says somewhere on here. It's kind of neat. Like you poke it here, it's like you're poking a bouncy ball. Now we've got a fresh white NASCAR interior.
We're just gonna pop the seats back in and
Head to Daytona. Not really heading to Daytona, but it's partially, it's not tight. I wanted to make sure I don't gonna take it back out to do these. So I'm kind of just laying these in here to make sure they're gonna work before I tighten anything down.
Alright.
So inside. So put this one on the outside. I guess that would make sense. I think technically by NHRA rules, I guess we're not drag racing, don't matter. But the SFI tag, I believe, is supposed to be on the outside, the easiest accessible for the tech guys. Outside, I think, is right. NHRA rules. Or do you remember? I think
this is on NHRA rules. It has to be easily accessible. Yeah. Because otherwise,
But I was just looking at
the old grumpy tech inspectors can't get to them, and then they tell you to leave. This is probably the most safe burnout car.
What you could see at a Friday night test and tune at a drag strip.
This is better.
Things
It has a blanket,
very solid.
It has a
Trans
diaper.
blanket, a diaper.
5-point harness,
4.
good, or 4-point,
4-point.
good seats,
most of the
Drive
bolts are
shaft.
tight.
drive shaft loop, roll cage,
Built drive shaft.
bead locks,
Bead lock.
Bead locks.
um,
Batteries in the trunk. Shut
zoomies,
off.
zoomies.
Oh yeah, the shut off
Zoomies,
back
so we got
there.
Zoomies.
no lead underneath.
Yeah.
Fancy. There it is. Freedom in every start. All the straps.
Every single one.
Every
brand.
Every all. What do you need? We'll strap it.
Yeah, did we just leave this tape? All right, well, roll cage and floor's all painted up, sealed up. She's probably watertight. Got the seats back in, and she's ready to hit Florida. Burnouts.
Oh, you got a seatbelt in there too, right?
Oh, did I not mention the seatbelts?
No.
Dang. Doug locked us. We also have a 4-point harness now put in there. Safety first, obviously. See them in there mounted nicely. Ain't going nowhere. Slap.